Hello mis amigos and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today it's round 2 of Vincent tries to make things that are probably stupid, but he still kind of wants to try because maybe he's stupid, but maybe the things are also really fun to make and have in your life. And today we're gonna do something that I've already teased you guys with whenever I did the perfume, which turned out to be not the best perfume ever, so I don't really want to sell that perfume under my new brand, Vinsaint. However, I'm also gonna put that brand on a halt. Maybe we'll come back to it in the future, but for now, I'm starting a new business. And this business is all about soaps, because we love clean hands. Especially now, I assume. This is a great business to start right now. Wow, my mind is so business oriented. It's all figures and numbers and business and how to make moolah and how to start a new business, how to help other... No, anyway, we're just gonna do some squishy soaps. And if they turn out amazing, then I'm definitely gonna start a business. So look out. At some point you will have VinSoap. Maybe you'll find the newest VinSoap during your next drugstore run, or grocery, or on Amazon, or on any other internet page, because we're gonna be everywhere. So we have another one of these kits, which is for kids aged 8+. So I think we should be able to do that. Not sure though, because sometimes I am not 8+. I'm hoping in this case I am 8+. That did not make any sense, but whatever. Just look at these soaps. Don't they look like the most amazing thing ever? Like you really want to have this VinSoap in your life. This is not sponsored, by the way, just feel like I really have to say that. I hope it'll smell good and I hope it'll make my hands clean. So let's just open her up. Instructions? I don't need instructions. Yes, Demi, those are the lyrics. For my simple instructions. I'll probably need the instructions later. We have rice flour. Yay, I can cook. Plastic container, soap, which is not squishy yet, and this is what we want to achieve. And then in this plastic bag, we have 3 colors of coloring. See you after this commercial break. After this coffee break. Naomi, I have a new name for my new business that I'm starting.
Is it coffee?
No, I'm all about soap. So, you know how my perfume business is called Vinsaint? My new soap business is called VINSOAP.
No.
Yes, it's just amazing gizzity. And we're back. Yeah, well, the bitch needs instructions after all. Sue me. Ah, she's so happy. Look at how happy she is about her new soap. I want to be as happy for once in my life. Actually, she's excited. Also, she looks
really scared.
Achtung, die Hilfe eines Erwachsenen ist notwendig. I guess I'm an adult after all. Oh, I can just create whatever shapes I want to create. Cool. So we've got our little plastic box here, a little plastic container where we're just gonna put in the rice flour. Who thought of doing something like that? Who invented squishy soap? And then put in 60 milliliters of the soap. Oh no, it stinks. Oh no. This is just a prototype. We're gonna change everything entirely once we're selling VinSoap, but this is just a little test of how we don't want things to smell. Oh, that looks funny. Put that aside, take another sip of the coffee, take another sip of water because you want to be hydrated, and become the soap scientist again that you always knew you would eventually end up being. Yeah. I'm gonna have to start mixing with my hands very soon, which I'm not looking forward to. I hate doing that. Oh. Shouldn't take the hand with the rings, should I? I think I have to get it out of the container. I suppose that's why they told you to clean your surfaces, which I didn't do beforehand. How's your guys' December? December can be really great for some people, but at the same time, as great as it can be for some people, it can be just as awful for others. I think just Christmas time in general is such a tricky time, especially now with the lockdown, obviously. There definitely is such a thing as like, what's it called? Seasonal depression. Just in general, I feel like people struggle a lot more during winter time, which for me, somehow it's the complete opposite. Like summers are for me, mentally, the hardest time, but that's another story. Anyway, I just wanted to check in, ask how you guys are doing, how you're feeling, if you're taking care of your mental health and your health in general at all. If not, I'm just here to remind you to do so. This is a great consistency now. Mit der erhaltenen Masse kannst du eine große Seife oder ein paar kleine Seifen. Wichtig ist, dass nicht eine Stärke von 2,5 cm überschritten wird, aber du erhalten von Masse auf die nicht korrekt. Cool! I can start creating my soapy soap now. I guess this is me baking Christmas cookies this year because I guess I won't be making Christmas cookies. Although maybe I'll do that for next week's video. If you want me to do some Christmas baking, then let me know. Also let me know what you want me to do for Christmas baking. I did a gingerbread house last year. I won't do that again this year. I don't think I'll ever do that again because that was a horrible experience. Just want to be done now. I think we should definitely make taco out of this, chili out of this, a Christmas tree out of this, and the last thing, do we maybe want to create Naomi? The easiest one is the Christmas tree, so let's do the Christmas tree. This we will have to turn a beautiful green color. Let's put some of the blue coloring on this and also some of the yellow coloring. The instructions also say that the color intensifies once you steam it, but I don't think this is intense enough at all. Let's pretend this is a beautiful dark green, and let's shape it into a beautiful Christmas tree. So, put this in. Once you're done with your
Ugly Christmas tree,
you start pretending that it looks nice and Christmassy, and then start doing some decorations. Pretty, just fucking pretty. And then at some point you probably realize,
oh, I've made the prettiest Christmas tree.
Then you should probably stop because it doesn't get prettier than pretty. Then you put it aside and do taco next. Taco is done. Thank you, taco. Onto chili. I miss chili right now. I wish chili was with me here right now. Chili looks funny. Slapping Naomi.
Taco und Chili.
Yeah, du hast sie erkannt. Beautiful hair. I mean, beautiful is just up for interpretation. Beautiful. Look at this beauty. Guys, I cannot believe the day has come, the time has come. It's finally time to start steaming our squishy soap. Christmas tree, a Christmas tree, and chili. See you in the kitchen. The resemblance?
I'm Kenny. Annie.
Oh no, Taco lost his whiskers, but it's alright. Our DIY steamer is ready to be filled with our family. Yeah, close it, but not entirely. Some steam has to escape, yeah? Okay, now we leave it like this for 10 minutes. What is happening? Naomi, you look amazing. Taco and chili are one now because we did not have enough space in our steamer. Hello and welcome to my bathroom, which is also decorated, courtesy of my niece and nephew. Beautiful Christmassy moon and a Christmassy star. That is besides the point because now it's all about this. The Christmas tree, I don't really care for you. So, I mean, yeah, it's squishy. But like, when I squish it, it's also like dying. No, what happened to Naomi? I killed her. I don't understand. I guess we can squish, but we cannot squish too much. I don't understand. What? I don't get it. Oh, you're dying. Don't die. Let's use our beautiful squishy soap now. I'm washing my hands using my squishy soap. Oh yeah. Beautiful, just fantastic. I don't know, is that supposed to happen? I just killed Christmas. Am I not supposed to squish my squishy soap? I'm out of here. Goodbye. Ah, Chili, it's a you. Do not eat it. Do not eat it. Don't eat yourself. Cute. Yeah, it's you. Cute. And Taco, this is you. Taco, you would eat it. I know it. Don't eat yourself. So by now, you guys are probably really afraid that when you get VINSOAP, you will receive something similar to this. And rightfully so. I understand your fear, I understand your doubts, but trust me guys when I tell you, this will not happen to VINSOAP. You will have amazing squishy soap, you will have amazing other type of soap. This is not what my brand represents. We want to celebrate Christmas, we don't want to kill Christmas, which apparently this squishy soap wants to do. Anyway, I'm sure I've done a couple of things wrong. I guess it's just not the best quality, or I'm just stupid again. Be that as it may, thank you guys so much for checking out this squishy soap making kit with me, and hopefully you enjoyed spending time with me and being crafty and learning more about my new brand VINSOAP, coming to your drugstore and grocery store and everything store and internet soon. Available soon. I wish you a great sunshine day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Y entonces, nos vemos la próxima vez y bye.